Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Virgo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 30th of December till the 5th of January. You can take it as messages, guidance, or warning from the universe's side, and or simple plain challenges or obstacles you might face on this path in this week. Okay. Want to be a reader like me? So you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in description. Want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono? You can start with the my masterclass. Link is in the description box. Want to start your self heal? Oh my God! Want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings? You can check out the description box and book your slots accordingly. Link is everything is given in the description box. If you have any queries, you can mail us on the modern sannyasini at the gmail.com. What is wrong with me? I don't know. God, let's see. 30th, we have the mind. Okay, do not let your mind interfere in things that your heart should do. Okay. So basically, you feel like your heart and soul is pulling you in a totally different direction. Your mind is pulling you in a totally different direction. So always listen to your heart if it is something that's not hurting or harming anybody else. Okay? Because even if your heart is going to lead you to something that's not good for you, it's going to become a lesson and or a blessing. Try to understand my point here. Again, it should not harm anybody or anything, or hurt anybody or anything, the way you are going to do it or follow it. Okay, 31st, we have the existence. You need to surrender to the divine in order to understand the universal love. You need to understand the existence and you are not different things. Okay, you are your bare naked soul, and existence is one thing. So go out and connect with the divine as much as you can. So, sit in the sit under the sky full of stars, look at the moon, and just talk to the universe, talk to the existence. It will reply back to you. Keep on doing that, keep on practicing that, and you will get answers as well about whatever you are trying to get the answers for. First, we have the lovers. So this is not about lustful love. This is not about sexual love. This is not about the love that we all define love as. This is the love that we feel for everything and everyone. Okay. So on the 1st of January, you are going to feel this energy of universal love, unconditional love towards everything and everyone. And you are going to feel that you and an existence are not different things. You all are one energy. We all are one energy, and you're going to feel certain kind of unconditional love and universal love towards other things, other people, other situations. And hold on to this energy. Basically, your heart chakra is going to be very much open and balanced on this particular day. Lot of love coming to you, lot of love you sending to others. So it's like energy exchange of love. Yeah, you're going to realize and you are going to feel the real meaning of love on that particular day in some way that you have to figure out. 2nd of January, trust. You have to trust the process, trust the universe, just open your arms and fly high. Whatever is meant for you, whatever is good for you, will come back to you eventually. You don't have to think about it all the time, worry about it all the time. Whatever is good for you, whatever is actually meant for you in this lifetime will come to you. All you have to do is stay in the trusting process and keep going. Trust and surrender. Trust the process. Somebody sent a reel to me the other day where it was written as trust the process, and it was a totally messed up and fucked up kind of a reel. I don't know, hurricanes, earthquakes, and whatnot, floods in that video. It was a process, but afterwards it was like, I don't know what happened afterwards, but I guess so it was calm. Anyways, third, we have the thunderbolt. Okay, so it's like uh, you are going to have a very rude awakening, a very rude realization. It's like truth coming out about something or someone that's going to hit you like a thunderbolt. But at the same time, this is going to be something that's going to set you free from some kind of illusion or delusion or unstable situation that you're living in, and you know it's not good for you. It's actually that's why it's falling apart. It's making room for something that's good for you and meant for you. Fourth, we have the guidance. So on the 4th of January, you are going to be in this energy of seeking guidance from a lot of like people or situations that are actually good for you. So even if somebody is giving you guidance or someone is giving you good advice without even you asking for that, try to like listen to them very carefully, because something good is going to come out of that guidance or advice. And or you are going to get guidance in your dreams via some pages, via something beautiful. Beautiful guidance is coming your way. 5th of January, we have the past life. Something or someone from your past will show up in your life. Maybe a problem, maybe a situation, maybe a person, but that's not coming back to haunt you or hurt you or harm you in any way. It's coming back to you so that you can heal it properly, release it properly, and then move on. Okay? So, yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.